welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sean. I'm back for another video, but I'm excited about this video because you guys know fall is my favorite season, and this video is going to be sort of a fall essentials slash fall unboxing. It's in partnership with a company called FabFitFun. They are a seasonal subscription box. They come with a box every quarter, every winter, spring, summer, and fall, and they sent me over their new fall box. Now these boxes are $49.99 every quarter, and they have an over $200 value for each box. So you're really getting a lot of bang for your buck. You're getting the opportunity to try out new brands and things like that. But you can also get your first box for $10 less if you use this promo code right here, which is Shawn10, SHAWN 10. You can save $10 off your first box with that code right there. But the boxes have like fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. Full-size products. You guys are definitely gonna love them. I'm actually gonna go ahead and cut open this box so we can see what's inside their new fall box together. So you can actually get these boxes if you live in the US, Canada, or the UK. And also you get an opportunity now to customize your boxes. So you wanna definitely sign up while you can, as quickly as you can. That way you can kind of pick products that you want in your box. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, I love the colors right away. And here's what it looks like. FabFitFun. How cute is this? Wow, I like all the bright, bold colors. So right on top, the first thing I see is this little magazine for FabFitFun, and it says Beauty 101, tips on where, when, and in what order, let's eat. And it's just a bunch of different things in here. Nice little magazine, pretty decent quality and everything. So that's pretty cool. They have their own little magazine. So I also have these little cards right here underneath that, and it says, this season, leaves aren't the only thing bringing some color into your life. And it has this little card right here. If you wanted to gift FabFitFun to someone, you have your own little code right here, or you could gift them $15 off their first purchase. You can give this as a gift to someone else. And then I also have this right here, which is $80 off of HelloFresh. They are a meal delivery service, and it says $80 gift card, $20 off your first 4 deliveries plus free shipping, and it has a little code down here. So those are the things that I see right on top. And then underneath that, it has a little sticker right here to seal in all the goodies. Ooh, okay. There's a lot of stuff I'm already excited about because y'all know I love earrings. And these are by BaubleBar. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty to me. I'm gonna open these up so you guys can see what they look like. These little bad boys are stunners. I would love to wear this with like a little black dress or something like that. Oh my goodness, so cute. I love BaubleBar, so I'm excited about that. That's the first thing that kind of caught my eye. All right, so next up I have this product right here, and this is by Trastique. It says Mini Eye Essentials. This is their Luxe Neutral Set, and you can actually use these 4 pencils for a couple of different things, as a brow pencil, as an eye pencil, and as also like an eyeshadow crayon as well. I'm gonna swatch these to see what they actually look like. I was actually trying to like do it like this, and I was like, what is going on? But this looks like the point of it, but it's actually not, which is kind of cute. You actually twist this up. So now let's see what it looks like when we swatch it. Whoa, that is black, 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 black. I like how pigmented this is. That's gonna be really nice in like your waterline. And then, so next up we have this color right here, which I believe is Kona Coffee. It's the same way, you kind of pull that off. Ooh, these are so pigmented and so creamy. That is gonna be a really beautiful eyeshadow base. So up next we have this color right here, which is called Morimoto Pink Pearl. So we're gonna pull that up, and here is this sort of pearlescent looking shade. Whoa, these are so creamy. These are so creamy and so pigmented. So this right here is all 4 of the Trastique Mini Eye Essentials. This color right here is Americano. It's supposed to be a brow color. This is too light for my brows. It's more like an ashier brown. But these other colors, these 2 right here, are gonna make great eyeshadow bases. And this is an extremely black eyeliner. I really like this to be in like your waterline and for a nice smoky eye. And then up next I have this little guy right here, which actually feels really soft and plush. This is one of my favorite things about fall, is the scarves and the little wraps and stuff like that. And this is by Plush. It says stay warm and stylish, ultra soft plaid scarf. So this is what this, ooh, something in this box smells really good. I don't know, but it smells really good. And everything smells like that. But this looks really nice and warm. Let's put this on. and see what this actually looks like on me. Now, a little scarf like this would be really good to use if you wanted to like wear your petticoat, or even if you wanted to do it with a denim jacket because it has shades of blue in it. But I actually would like to put this on with like my leather jacket, my faux leather jacket or something like that. This is going to be nice. I actually have a navy blue petticoat that would look good with this. I would love to wear it kind of like this with a nice faux leather jacket, or a nice blue petticoat, or even a denim jacket because of all this blue. I love the colors in this and the softness. If I forgot to mention, I'll be sure to put the prices across the screen for everything that I'm showing you guys. And then next up, let's try this, which I'm excited about as well. This is like a little cheese board. Now, I actually did a wine tasting on like a date night at home with my husband recently, and I have like little tiny wine glasses because we wanted to try different kinds of wine like rosé and merlot and all that. I took a wine tasting class when I was in culinary school, so I think I know my wines. But anyway, I kind of made it kind of bootleg because I didn't have a cheese tray. The little wine glasses were nice, but this would be a nice touch. I definitely want to do that as a date night again. It's a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set by a company called Twine Living Co. And this is just really nice. Actually has some weight on it and everything. So this is gonna be nice. You get your little cheeses and do your little cheese and wine tasting. That will be super duper fun. So I'm loving that. And then up next I have this. What is this? It's this little jar that looks like green sugar cubes. And this is Juice Cleanse. This is by Harper and Ari, exfoliating sugar cubes. You guys know how I feel about my beauty regimen, about my self-care Sundays. I cannot wait to add this to my self-care Sunday routine. Juice Cleanse. This will be great for making those elbows and knees and feet kissably soft. So I can't wait to try this. Y'all know I love stuff like this. Anything that has to do with pampering and self-care, I'm all for it. So I'm excited about trying those. Next up, I have this product right here, and it's by Human and Kind. It's a skincare with a conscience, vegan and cruelty-free. This is a body souffle. This is going to be great paired with those sugar cube exfoliating cubes that I just showed you guys. Lightly whipped for the ultimate kindness, plus it's light and fluffy. Body souffle is absorbed to leave the skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Yes, you guys know I have super duper dry skin. No matter, even if it's summertime, my skin is dry as a bone. So a good body souffle sounds like pampering to me, so I'm excited about this. Let's actually go ahead and try this. The smell smells so good. I smell like it's a slight hint of like cucumber, but it smells really nice. Ooh, my skin is just drinking it up. My skin is drinking it up. I like how light it is. My hand is moisturized, but it's not greasy. I like that. This is really nice. I cannot wait to put this and slather it all over my body. So this is really nice. And then up next, I have this product right here. Let's get with this one. This one is Aromatherapy Associates, and this is a deep relax roller ball. That sounds really nice. You guys know how I feel about aromatherapy. If you watch my recent self-care haul, you guys saw I just got a whole bunch of essential oils. Ooh, because I love aromatherapy. This is a little roller ball. And like I said, it said to relax. Oh my. Ooh. Yes. Now this has a bit more of an herbaceous type smell to it, a bit heavier, a bit more woodsy. Not floral at all, but a bit more woodsy, more earthy, if I'm saying that correctly. But this smells really good. This might be something good to use right before you go to sleep. Put a little bit here on your wrist and then kind of go to sleep and let it really do what it's supposed to do, help you to relax. So last but not least, I have this product right here, which is by Aveda, which is a brand that I'm very familiar with. It's Damage Repair, Daily Hair Repair, Instant Visible Repair, protects from heat styling. I don't actually use heat on my hair, so this product wouldn't actually work for me, but I do have a sister who curls her hair and flat irons her hair and all of that, so I'm definitely gonna send this to her. I think she'll get more use out of it than I can. So I scrolled the prices across the screen so you guys can see for yourself. This is a really good value, especially if you use the promo code, which is Sean10, to get $10 off your first box. I'm really excited about it. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comment section which item would you be most happy about if you got this box. What are your favorite items out of this particular box? I'd love to hear your thoughts. For me, it's really hard to pick, but I love the body souffle, the bobble bar earrings, and I especially love the humankind body souffle, and even the aromatherapy roller ball, because that's so like relaxing. But I know I'm gonna make use out of all of this stuff. The cheese board is gonna be great for a date night, and it's just really good stuff in this box. I'm super excited. Huge thank you to them for sending me over their new fall box and also for sponsoring this video. So if you guys are interested in this box, don't miss out on your opportunity to customize your box. Go ahead and sign up. Like I said, I'll be sure to link them below. And that is pretty much it. I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.